So starting the test drive in this 17 Escalade Platinum, I really like how these drive, how even with this kind of mileage, the ride quality is just great. Just all the different suspension components you have in terms of having the ride control and what have you. It just makes it that much more plush. And then just having the 6.2 V8, such a strong engine. The sound you get is great. Just very fun in general. I'm gonna give it a little pull getting on the interstate here. Not gonna floor it, but I'm gonna give it a little something so we can hear it. Here we go. Yeah, so got up to speed very nicely, very, very nicely. Now I do want to give one more thanks to Cadillac of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Escalade today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that third link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever pre-owned vehicle you might be interested in. But this is, even with almost 105,000 miles on it, still rides great, still drives great, and still a looker as well. This still feels like $1 million bucks, even though it's 10 years old. And it's crazy how far the Escalade has come in those 10 years. Wind noise, you can kind of hear just a tad because this is a higher roof vehicle, but for the most part, I mean, everything's great. Again, the ride quality is still there. You can barely hear the wind, and you basically just have to try and listen for it to actually hear it. Now, in terms of what you get for the money, specifically buying this pre-owned with the mileage, this is $26,500 for this vehicle right now. So as is, you don't have any warranty, but you can buy an extended warranty here. Even if you think about going with, I wouldn't necessarily recommend a car shield, but something like a car shield where you just kind of get a bumper to bumper coverage there. Highly recommend it because these Q systems are expensive. These engine transmissions can be expensive. Now, I'm not feeling any issues here, but I'm just saying, if you're one of those people that wants to just make sure you're covered, I recommend doing that. I just got an extended warranty myself just for my Explorer conversion van because I just want to be able to cover the engine, transmission, whatever may occur. But if you have a good mechanic or you know how to do a lot of this yourself, this is a good way to get in something that is top notch in terms of having a sunroof, rear entertainment system, heated cooled seats, massage seats, all of that. And you don't have to spend 140 grand on a new Escalade Platinum Sport. And again, someone like myself who kind of likes the look of these a bit better, but it's just like my own preference. Why spend 140 plus tax when you can spend 26.5 plus tax on this and have something I think equally as nice? Even if the tech isn't necessarily there, you still get your massage seats, your lumbar support, your heated cooled seats, all the important stuff. But I like how they went with a digital gauge cluster here. I like the infotainment system still having the built-in nav. And I'm cheap, so I like a lot of this stuff that doesn't require a subscription. Again, you're not having to pay full price for it. And then, you take care of the vehicle, change the oil, make sure you have a pretty good warranty. And this will last probably as long as the newer Escalades will. So All that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this pre-owned 2017 Cadillac Escalade Platinum.